Something big is happening in the crypto market right now, but something even bigger is going to be taking place here very, very soon. Make sure you watch until the end so you can know exactly what I'm talking about. But here is the thing. So if we go ahead and look at the Ethereum and the Bitcoin chart, what we can see is that Ethereum and Bitcoin, which is the entire crypto market, has been trading inside of these patterns respectfully for a very, very long time. And now we are literally reaching the end of the tunnel, which means that here very, very, very soon, something huge has to take place. A big breakout is going to be taking place. I am a breakout trader. Breakouts are the easiest and most simple plays to make money and to trade and invest in crypto. And whenever we approach the end of a triangle pattern, nearly 70 to 75% full of the pattern, which we have already done, something huge takes place. And the direction of the pattern, what happens inside of the pattern and how we break out of the pattern, lets us know with a clear indication, with very strong conviction, where we are headed. So now that we are literally approaching the end of the tunnel, especially for Ethereum, we are coming to attempt to break outside of this pattern right now. And this is absolutely huge. This is extremely important because that means that the market is no longer going to be boring and trading inside of this pattern, but that something big is going to be taking place. And the reason for this is because the whales, the people that actually move the crypto market, they have to buy. They have to trade these breakouts because the whole market is traded based on technical analysis, especially these types of patterns. Now make sure you watch my video yesterday and the day before. I talk about exactly what's happening in the crypto market, where we headed, and what are some crazy possible scenarios that could happen this year, and also some huge things coming up. So make sure you watch those videos. Now, as we continue to get into this video, what we can see is the crypto market has been bullish for literally days on end without a break. And that is a very good sign. The market is continuing bullish, and there are many reasons for this. We're literally breaking resistance levels. Every time we have a drop, we bounce up very fast. Like yesterday, we saw a dip Sunday and we bounced up very, very fast. And in the Patreon, I gave some buy alerts literally on the exact level to make entries. So if you would have followed my alerts, you would have already made significant profits in less than 24 hours. But here is the thing. With every single drop, we bounce up very, very fast. And that is a bullish sign. That is a sign that we may actually break out in a bullish way. And ladies and gentlemen, when we break out in a bullish way, this chart, on these charts here for Bitcoin and Ethereum, this trading sideways is going to be over with. That is a thing of the past, and a huge breakout is going to be taking place. I'm going to show you exactly what this breakout could potentially look like for us if you are holding cryptocurrencies. Look at how wide and big this pattern is for Ethereum. Now, the way to measure the breakouts is you basically just take the length of the triangle from the bottom to the top and you put it around the area where we are going to be seeing a breakout. This next breakout, ladies and gentlemen, is not just going to be a small 5% or 10% move. This next breakout, which would not just happen immediately, it would be an uptrend. There's going to be dips, there's going to be highs, there's going to be lows. It doesn't just go straight up to it. We do see a zigzag pattern leading all the way up to it, but our price target is going to be around $4,000 for Ethereum and Bitcoin. Also, guys, let me show you exactly how big of a play this actually could be if you hold Bitcoin. We are potentially going to see a move that is going to bring us literally close to the all-time high. If Bitcoin has this massive breakout, if we do continue bullish, this next move is not just going to be a move into the $40,000 range. It's not going to be just a move into the low 50s. This big next move is potentially going to be taking Bitcoin to the $60,000 range, potentially even higher. And just because we have a price target, that does not necessarily mean that's how high it's going to go. But generally, when you look at breakouts, you look at breakout trades, you see where they're going to break out, you measure the patterns. A lot of times, as we have seen in the past, the breakout targets are far exceeded when we see these types of bullish patterns. So any second now, cryptos can break out of these patterns, these triangles that I am showing you. And when they do, something very big is going to be happening. Now, a lot of people are sitting on the sidelines. They are asleep concerning cryptocurrencies. They have no idea that a huge bullish breakout could potentially happen at any second. Now, when that happens, people are going to start FOMOing again. Like if you go on YouTube, if you look on the internet, the search volume for cryptos is actually very low right now. But in the future, very, very soon, when cryptos start to break up again and they start to have headlines all across the world, us right now, we are early. We're still early in cryptocurrencies. And remember, this video is not financial advice, just my own opinion. But here is the thing. We are early. We are still at a very cheap price for cryptos, whether we buy now or in a couple of weeks. But even if we buy right now, we've been buying the last couple of weeks. We've been buying these dips. We are still very, very early. And if this breakout comes, which it is starting to look like it might actually happen, we could be making substantial profits in a very short period of time. Now, if you want to get access to when to know exactly when to buy, when to sell, I have a trade alert service in my Patreon. Highly recommend checking it out. I have all different types of trade alerts for cryptocurrencies. And even you can speak to me on the phone and get access to all of my exact trades, as I make trades every single day for myself as a professional trader. And I also have a course. It is 66% off to learn technical analysis. Highly recommend checking it out, milesginvestments.teachable.com. And also, if you want to be able to trade cryptocurrencies, day trade them without incurring any taxes, open up an iTrust Capital account with my link below. If you fund an account, they will give you $100 in free Bitcoin. So that is what is happening with the market. Make sure you check out my previous videos yesterday, the day before. Incredible information in those videos that are still pertinent to right now and to the near future. Now, if you love cryptocurrencies, give this video a thumbs up. I really appreciate the support. Subscribe with notifications on, and share this video with a friend or family member, and I will see you all later.